Welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking, and on today's episode I want to show you a very quick white ice chocolate mocha, which is easy, another 2 minutes blending. So I'm gonna take you to the ingredient, which is here in this jug. I have 150 ml of heavy cream, or you can call this whipping cream or fresh cream, and 250 ml of whole milk or full cream milk liquid. I got some white chocolate, and I've got some coffee. This is instant coffee dissolved in a little bit of hot water. For the topping, I have candy cane. You can use anything you want, and my vanilla bean paste. You can use vanilla extract, and you can top with whipping cream. Today I'm not using any whipping cream because this time of the year I have been eating so much rich food, so just cut out a little bit from the heaviness. So I have warmed this milk for 2 minutes in the microwave. To that, I'm actually gonna drop this liquid to my white chocolate. Now you're not gonna touch this, just leave it as is. After a few minutes, just take a spoon and stir. You're gonna see until the chocolate melt with the cream and the heavy cream, and then we will move forward. Okay, so you can see now the chocolate has been melted nicely, and to that I'm gonna add my instant coffee, my vanilla bean paste, just half teaspoon, and now you're gonna stir that quickly. You can add sugar. I'm not adding any sugar because chocolate is already sweet. And now I already have my ice into my blender, and I'm gonna just drop this slowly into my blender. Cover this up, and now let's blend this for 2 minutes. Now I have my glass here, and I just want to pour my mocha. I want to add a scoop of any ice cream, and this is Heavenly Hush. This is the ice cream called. And what I want to do is just top it with some candy cane. That's it. Simple and easy. White ice chocolate mocha. This is so delicious, guys. Go ahead and try this. You don't really need a recipe, but if you do, it's waiting for you down in the comments below. I will see you next time. Bye.